We're getting up. Well, that's why you have to stay away.
There you go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wrong one. Hey.
I was on the last run on the early morning of February the 28th, 1958, leaving Steveston, and I was on the last run of this very car.
And you're how old?
I was 17. Yeah. We all had a group photo. Everybody was on the car, and I was sitting in that seat right there. I've got a photograph of it at home.
Below this seat right here, which includes what do we got here? Yeah, the stretcher and a medical first aid kit and a trauma kit and some heavy duty equipment in case we had to, for some reason, break out of this car.
Good eyeball. Did it for 35 years on the railroad. I can't change.
Bring it